Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see full call history on iPhone. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we would need to make sure that iCloud sync is enabled. Okay. For us to be able to potentially see more call history on our iPhone device. So go ahead and find settings, tap on it. Now go ahead and go to your iCloud. Okay. Tap on it. Right here, we have iCloud. Tap on it. Now here we have the see all option. So just tap on see all. Now scroll all the way down and find phone and FaceTime. Okay. Make sure that this one is enabled. Now once that's done, close the settings app. Now go out and find the phone option or app with a green icon. Okay. Just tap on it. Now here we have favorites and recent. So under recents, you can now go ahead and scroll down and find, okay, or load up older calls. That's basically it. Now there's another option where you can go ahead and download the carriers app. Okay, let's say for example you're using AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, okay, or other carrier. Okay, you can go ahead and download its app. Now log in and just basically find the usage section and call history. Or even, all right, sometimes billing details to see extensive records, often months or years old, including call duration, dates, and times. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.